The oil and gas space is the other area we want to focus on. And Sonal is here with this one. Sonal, over to you.
A lot of changes in the macros for oil and gas space. Let's start with gas prices, because Henry Hub prices, which is one of the sources of import of gas for these oil and gas companies, those prices are up 47% since end of September, and this will impact MGL and IGL margins because they do have a lot of imports coming in from this gas source. For MGL, it's more than 30% gas coming in from there, and for IGL, it's around 18% of gas coming in from there. So their input costs would go higher, impacting their margins, and that is the reason these stocks will be in focus. For GAIL as well, 80% of their US gas contracts of around 5.8 million tons per annum comes from Henry Hub gas. 20% is on spot LNG prices or back-to-back basis. So they will not be able to earn that spread on that 20% mark. And that's the reason GAIL could be negatively impacted because of this, but not such a big negative as well. The other part is that Saudi LPG prices, they are up 3 to 5%. For Gujarat gas, it will be a positive because propane prices, which is a competitive fuel, that is based on Saudi prices. So if propane prices go up, maybe consumers will look at Gujarat gas for procurement. That's why Gujarat gas is in focus. For oil marketing companies, it would mean that LPG under recovery could increase to 45 rupees per cylinder versus 17 rupees per cylinder. That could be a negative for oil marketing companies. The third fact has been that diesel and petrol cracks, they've been coming down. We have spoken about it in detail as well. Diesel spreads are down 19% on a week-on-week basis. Petrol spreads are down 1% on a week-on-week basis. Still, Nomura is positive on these companies because refining margins are still above historical averages, and they expect refining to do better than marketing. But this could be a near-term dampener for oil marketing companies. And rupee depreciation, that continues to remain the big story. City gas distribution companies, big imports coming in, and that could be negative for them.
Okay, all right. Thanks very much, Sonal, for that. So lots of affected companies, and we'll keep an eye out on those stocks as we open up for trade.